Hi, this is Sean Hamlin, maintainer for the responsive Favicons module, and today I thought I'd just go through a quick screencast on a little bit more about what the module is and what it aims to do and how this could potentially help you. So first of all, why even would you want to use the module? The main reasons is, as you know, the number of favicons that are required to support modern websites now number in the dozens sometimes. So that can actually fill up your doc root quite quickly. And also, if you have a Drupal multi-site or you run something like Site Factory, then you don't really want to stick those icons in your doc root. Instead, it's much more scalable to stick them in something like the public files directory. Cool, and it's also admin configurable, so you can at any point upload a new set of favicons without kind of going through the whole release process as well, if that is something you're looking for. So the module page explains this a lot better than I can, so jump across to that. And as for a quick demo to get it all up and running, the first thing we need to do is start from scratch with Favicon and I'll just go through an example with you now. And the picture we're going to pick is this really simple logo, which in this case happens to be an emoji character, which is definitely not the best example of it, but whatever. You can go through and you can change a few things here and there, and in reality, the only thing you really need to add is an app name, so normally the name of your website. Most of the rest of these things are optional, but you can choose to play around with them if you want. The critical things to remember is when you come to the end, just say I will place the favicon files in the root of my website. Even though we're not going to, but that's what we need to select here. And we go here and click generate. And we'll stay on the HTML5. We'll download the Favicon package. We'll also copy paste this for later. And now I've just quickly spun up a test site here on Simply Test Me. And first thing we need to do is install the module. Drupal 8 has this nice little filter box, so we can find the module quite quickly and install it. And now if you find it again, you can see the configure link, just saves you a click. And you can see this is where we're going to paste in the HTML we got earlier. And we can also upload our zip file we just downloaded. And I recommend that you do this. You remove the default favicon from Drupal, which is just the default drop. We don't really want that hanging around. Click Save. And if you see something that says X amount of files uploaded successfully and all being green, then you're looking very good. But just to double check, you can jump across to the status report. And in here there always will be something along the lines of found X favicons. And the number here might be different from what you just saw earlier, because this is specifically mentioning the favicons that's found in the HTML, whereas Drupal actually uploads a whole bunch more than this. And now if we go back to the site and view the source code, you should see these new meta tags. You should also see that the file paths have been rewritten to be pointing at the public files directory in the favicons folder. And we should also be able to click on one of these and it should return an image. So we've just verified all that all working, which is great. So essentially, that's it. We've gone through a complete walkthrough, start to finish, of configuring responsive favicons. Hope you can use this in your project in the future. Cheers.